Hello friends, chapter number 4, Effect of Electric Current. Today we are going to study about the heating effect of electric current. Heating effect of electric current. When electric current flow through a wire or conductor, the wire get heated. This is called the heating effect of electric current. Friends, in figure, electric circuit of the figure, it shows the various components like switch, battery, wire and coil. When switch is on at that time electric current flow through the circuit. This electric current flow through the coil from lower potential to the higher potential. At that time coil is heated. This is called the heating effect of electric current. The factor affecting the amount of heat is produced in resistance or in conductor is depend upon the various factors like strength of electric current. Second factor is the resistance of heating effect. The resistance depend which elements are used in resistance or nature of materials and length and thickness. Third factor is a time for which electric current flow. How many current times is flow the current in circuit, the amount of heat is produced in it. Friends, the definition of the heating effect of electric current. When a resistor is connected in a electric circuit, heat is produced in it due to current. This is known as heating effect of electric current. In this figure, when switch is on, the electric current flow through this circuit, and when electric current passes through the nichrome coil, the coil is heated because the nichrome coil is high resistivity, and this current passes from the low potential to the higher potential. Heat is produced. This is called the heating effect of electric current. Use of heating effect of electric current. In your daily life, we are use many electric appliances like electric heater, electric iron, electric geyser, electric cooker, electric bulb and fuse. In these appliances, we use the heating effect of electric current. All these appliances we are use the coil is called the elements. In the figure E shows two types of coil, coiled coil and coil of solenoid coil. Solenoid coil many tons of insulated copper wire wrapped in a cylindrical shape is called the solenoid type coil. In figure A shows the electric heater. B shows the electric room heater. C is a electric iron. These all equipments we are use this type coiled coil use or solenoid type of coil. These coil are high resistivity. When electric current flow through these elements, it become hot and give out heat. The amount of heat is produced in this wire depend upon the material, length and thickness of this coil. मित्रांनो, आपण जेवढे काही अप्लायन्सेस वापरतो त्या अप्लायन्समध्ये जी कॉईल वापरलेली असते त्याला आपण रेजिस्टन्स म्हणतो आणि त्या रेजिस्टन्सची रेजिस्टिव्हिटी ही हाय असते. म्हणजेच काय, तुम्हाला माहिती मित्रांनो, रेजिस्टन्स इज नथिंग बट द टू कंट्रोल द करंट और टू रेजिस्ट द फ्लो ऑफ करंट. आणि ज्यावेळेस रेजिस्टिव्हिटी जास्त असेल त्यावेळेस ती हिटिंग इफेक्ट पण आपल्याला जास्त मिळेल. आणि म्हणून ह्या सर्व जे अप्लायन्सेस आपण वापरतो त्या अप्लायन्सेसमध्ये जी कॉईल आहे ती कॉईलचं नथिंग बट द रेजिस्टन्स. फ्रेंड्स, in next appliances we are used in your daily life, electric bulb. In electric bulb, heated filaments we use are called the tungsten. These tungsten are the high resistivity. These are the solenoid type coil. This coil is so hot that light is also emitted. In this bulb we are use the inert gases or nitrogen gas to protect the coil from the oxidation. Why are used to tungsten coil in this electric bulb? Because this tungsten coil are the high melting point, that is 3318 degree Celsius the melting point, and second is the reason stable at high temperature, low vaporization and flexibility. These are the various purposes we are used to tungsten coil in the electric bulb. Second device is the electric heater. In second figure we show the electric heater. In this electric heater the coil is made up by the alloy of nichrome. Nichrome is a resistance we made up by the nickel and chromium. There are high resistivity, low cost and ductility. We draw the thin wire from this nichrome coil and stable at the high temperatures. That's why we are use the nichrome coil in this electric heater. Friends, the electric power, unit of electric power is watt. 100 watts is equal to 1 kilowatts, and 1 kilowatts hours is commonly known as unit. 1 kilowatts we convert into the joules. When 1 kilowatts is equal to 1000 watts is multiplied by 3600 second, and we can say 3.6 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 watt second. Watt second is nothing but the joule. Means 1 kilowatts is equal to 3.6 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 joules. The electricity meter measure the electric energy consumption. It is expressed in a unit, means 1 kilowatts. मित्रांनो, आपल्याकडे जे काही इलेक्ट्रिक मीटर मध्ये किती एनर्जी कंझ्युम झाली हे एक्सप्रेस करण्यासाठी आपण युनिट्स वापरतो. युनिट्स म्हणजेच काय आहे, 1 किलो वॅट पर आवर्स. फ्रेंड्स, in domestic electric circuit, in your domestic electric circuit, the electric power to home is supplied through the main. आपल्या घरामध्ये पर्यंत जी काही इलेक्ट्रिसिटी येते ती मेन सप्लाय वरून येत असते मित्रांनो. आणि होम इलेक्ट्रिकल कनेक्शन कन्सिस्ट ऑफ लाईव्ह वायर, न्यूट्रल वायर अँड अर्थ वायर. There are the three types of wire we are using in electric circuit, in domestic circuit. In this figure shows there are three types of wires. In green color shows the earth wire, we are called the earthing. Then a red color wire shows the live wire, or is called the phase wire. And third is a neutral wire. The live wire and neutral wire, the potential difference between these two wires is 220 volt. Now earth wire is connected at the ground. The two terms we are listening about, short circuit and overloading. A short circuit is causes when live wire and neutral wire come in contact and current suddenly increases in the circuit, and it causes the sparking, fires and damages to the circuit and appliances. मित्रांनो, शॉर्ट सर्किट ज्यावेळेस होत असतं ते कशामुळे होतं तर आपले लाईव्ह वायर आणि न्यूट्रल वायर हे एकमेकांना टच झाल्यामुळे ते टच झाले की अचानक आपल्याला करंट इन्क्रीज होत असतं आणि स्पार्किंग फायर्स आणि आपले जे अप्लायन्सेस आहेत किंवा सर्किट्स आहेत ते डॅमेज होत असतात आणि त्यालाच आपण म्हणतो शॉर्ट सर्किट. सेकंड टर्म आहे ओव्हरलोडिंग. Overloading is caused by due to the increase in voltage, or if the live wire and neutral wire come in contact, or if too many appliances are connected to in a single socket. As a result, in overloading of the wire and can cause damage of the circuit and appliances. Friends, in overloading the current is increases because the wire live wire and neutral wire comes in contact, or when increase the voltage or third reason is that the many appliances are connected in a single socket. एकाच बोर्डवर आपण जर अनेक जास्त व्होल्टेज ज्यांना अप्लायन्सेस आपण वापरतो ते जर आपण कनेक्ट केले तर त्यावेळेस मात्र ओव्हरलोडिंग होते आणि ओव्हरलोडिंग झाल्यामुळे टू डॅमेज द सर्किट अँड अप्लायन्सेस. आपल्या घरामध्ये जे काही अप्लायन्सेस आहेत, टी व्ही असेल, इलेक्ट्रिक हीटर असेल, फ्रीज असेल, ज्यांना की व्होल्टेज जास्त लागतो ते डॅमेज होतात आणि घरातले सर्किट्सही डॅमेज होतात. त्यालाच आपण ओव्हरलोडिंग असं म्हणतो. The short circuit overloading is avoided to use the fuse, electric fuse. Electric fuse is a safety device in electric circuit to protect the circuit and appliances from the damage due to overloading and short circuit. It is a wire having high resistance. In the figure A shows the electric resistance. In this electric resistance, wire used are high resistance and low melting point. If excess current flow through this circuit, the fuse wire melt and break in the circuit. मित्रांनो, ह्या वायरमधून ज्यावेळेस जी आपण फ्यूजमध्ये जी वायर आपण तार आपण वापरतो, वायर आपण वापरतो ती हाय रेजिस्टन्स असल्यामुळे आणि लो मेल्टिंग पॉईंट असल्यामुळे त्याच्यामधून करंट ज्यावेळेस जास्त फ्लो होत असतं त्यावेळेस ती ब्रेक होते आणि ब्रेक झाल्यामुळे पुढचं जे इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लो आहे किंवा इलेक्ट्रिक करंट आहे ते ब्रेक होतं आणि त्यामुळे आपले घरामध्ये जे अप्लायन्स आहेत ते डॅमेज होण्यापासून आपण वाचू शकतो आणि म्हणून सेफ्टी डिव्हाइस म्हणून आपण या इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूजचा आपण वापर करत असतो. जी वायर वापरली जाते इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूजमध्ये ती वायर is made by the or alloy of metals like lead, tin, aluminum and copper. This wire is connected in series and the live wire. There are the many types of fuse used. In this day we are use the MCB like fuses. MCB means this is a miniature circuit breakers and other types of various types of fuse, electric fuse are used in this day. In the third figure shows the types of fuses. Like that, friends, you understood about the heating effect of electric current. Thank you.